This is how you're going to add a choice component in Glide. So first, you're going to head over to your Glide editor by clicking on the app that you want to edit. And then from here, you're going to select a screen that is linked to a form or an editable record. And then from here, we're just going to head over to this left side panel. We're going to click, or we're going to head over to the component section and then click on the plus icon beside it. Now we're going to scroll down until we find this section that is form elements. We're going to click on choice right here, and then this will be added to our page. Now we're just going to scroll down, and then we'll be able to see this right here. Now we're just going to set up the right to. We can set up, like, for example, user profiles. We can do names, descriptions, or whatever. So for this one, I'm just going to set it to name. We can add values right here, the images, if you want to add some images. And then you can set up the options right here. So for example, you want to set up the visibility as well as the filter data and all of that stuff. Now from here, you can also set up the labeling. Now the most important thing right here is the content of your choice. So what you can do is you're going to head over to this source right here, and then you're going to select the source that you want. So for example, we are going to set the source to categories, or we're going to set the source to admins. You can also set the source to user profiles, and then you can choose use profile rules, and then you'll be able to see here they will have a choice on which user profile they want to use or which name they want to use. So for example, if they select Frenchel, then their differential name is going to appear right here. So it depends on what kind of source and the data you want to put right here, but that's everything that you have to do. So make sure that you set up the source first, because this is the most important. This is going to come up right here, and then you can also set it to admins, literally just whatever you want to. So it the appearance of this on your app depends on what you send or what you set the source to be. You can also add labels right here, and then you can change the style. You can choose from card to list, table, data grid, or depending on what you want. You can also do checklist. So again, you have a bit of flexibility here. You can just change it however you want to. You can just explore this however you want to, and then see what suits your style the best. And that's it. That is how you're going to add a choice component in Glide. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.